What is going on, my YouTube friends? So yesterday I pulled the truck tank out of the car. I got it. I went ahead and drilled the hole so that way we could put the bun in there for the overflow, I'm sorry, the return line. Getting old. So anyhow, I drilled the hole, cleaned it up, took it over to my friend's house, and he welded it in for me. And I want to thank you very much, Nick. If you do ever watch this, thanks a lot, buddy. I appreciate it. You got me out of a jam. Yes, you did. And this guy can weld. He's a good welder. So I got it over there. There's some pictures and stuff. There's a video I took on a couple of his cars. The truck was his wife's grandfather's truck, Clyde Dietrich. Look him up and you'll see the truck, Clyde Dietrich Racing, him and his son, Jimmy. But when Clyde passed away, Nick's wife had gotten the truck, Tori. They're good people. They're really good people. And Nick, he's had that 85 Mustang since he graduated high school. I think he took his graduation money and went and bought that. I just wanted to show you that why, I was getting that welded up. But I appreciate it. He got it well welded up for me in there. So now I got to get some fittings. I got to get some 90-degree angles, fittings, -8, so I can run that line, because the ones I have are straight and I'd have to, we're not doing that. We're just going to run one line. And it's not a very long line. It's probably maybe 3 foot at the most. So I just figured I'd let you guys know what's going on here at Mr. Mach 1's garage today. And we are moving along and getting things done. Not as much as I would have liked to, but hey, sometimes, there's a wrench thrown here and wrench thrown in there and this and that, and we got to do other things, So, guys, hope you enjoy the video. Over here letting my buddy weld the bun on the tank for the return line. And this is him and his wife's toys. Back in the day, this truck right here was something to reckon with on the track. Clyde Dietrich. This is his 85. It's got a 418 turbo in it. He's working on getting ready to start painting it. Fun, fun, fun. It's a 418 turbo. What compression is this, Nick?
11 to 1.
11 to 1 compression. Look at the size of that turbo, man. Oh my God. It's all fun and games. Forgot to mention he's had this car since he graduated high school. So it's been a while back. He's in his 30s now. All right, so I took the gas tank out yesterday. Just went and had this welded in. So we're pretty much ready to rock and roll, but I do got to get a couple 90-degree fittings because of the 40 is not angled enough. And I might be able to use the 40 on this, but I don't think it's a good idea because it still kind of brings that hose around. I need to bring this hose this way. So if I have a 90-degree angle, I can shoot it straight pretty much right to the fuel pump for the return line. So anyhow, I just wanted to show you what's going on and show you my buddy's vehicles that he's got over there that he's working on. So yeah, he did a really nice job. Hooked me up. Hooked me up. Yes, he did. All right, we got that thing welded up, so we're gonna get this thing and get it back in the car. I gotta do some paint and stuff like that. I cleaned it up, cleaned the paint off of it and stuff like that. I think that I have bed liner on that gas tank. If I ain't mistaken, that's what I put on there. So I'm gonna get me some bed liner. I looked to see if I had some, but I don't have none. So I must only bought like one can, or I used both cans on it. I don't know, we'll see. But anyhow, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. And hey, you know, you have a good rest of your day, night, whatever time it is you watch this.